Welcome to a guide on how to win ink game. In Argyle, stay away from others and get the alerted. And first game done. In Dalgona, just pray for a good shape and be slow and steady. In Lights Out, hide in the stalls, a corner or clip out. Me fighting some guys in Lights Out. In Hide and Seek, as hider go to the spike pit and hide in a corner. If a seeker comes, push them off. As seeker, stick with someone or listen closely for footsteps or look for open doors. Me passing and trying to find the pit. Found the pit. You can kinda see the corners. In Jump Rope, however, either get someone to carry you, or be really focused on yourself and not others. Either way, this is all skill. In Glass Bridge, you have two options, or farm, don't do this, or stick behind the others and wait. Here I waited for others to go first, memorizing the path. After this is a game I despise. Mingle. This is pure luck. Try to stick near others, but go away if it's rooms of one. Make sure you have allies or you're cooked. Also, stay away from others or they might strangle you. Here someone strangled, so it was 6 left. Here I died to piss off the others to can win, but for Squid Game or Sky Squid Game I just recommend getting them from behind or letting them make the first move.